Hello and welcome to another Back in Stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph, and as always I'm back amongst all the shelves taking a look to see what's back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycle this week in the warehouse. So let's see what I found. First up this week, the centre stand for the 650 pre-OIF is £83.12.67. That costs £137.66 including VAT. Part number 713447, that's the pressure release valve for the 750, is £44.47 including VAT. And finally this week, the in-frame oil filter, part number 834783, that is £41.94 including VAT. And don't forget, if there's any items I've not mentioned this week that you'd really like to know whether they're back in stock or not, you can check out the Andover Triumph website, or you can give the guys a contact on the Andover Triumph website via the email system. Really simple to do, and I'll get back in touch with you and let you know when that product is coming back in stock. But until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.